So guys, I got this lubricant for my car. So it's basically for lubricating your windows, like the rubber seals, uh, to stop the squeaks on these parts which are moving along with the windows. So all you have to do is to spray. So you can spray it on each window and it will stop the squeak, and it works good. You can buy it in any Canadian tire stores or even online. It's cheap. It will cost you around $8 or $10, and it's good. You can also use it for your bike chains and other moving parts.